Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the number pattern and the fraction as well. Here at the first, we learn about understanding number pattern. Okay, so what is number pattern? Number pattern is a sequence of number that follow a specific rule. So the sequence of uh, the sequence of the number always have a pattern. And the key is to find the rule and use to predict the next number. So we have to try to find the pattern or the rules of the sequence number. For example, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and blank number. So from here, we try to find what's the rule of the sequence. And if we can see in every number, the range between two numbers is 2. So plus 2, so plus 2. So it means this number must be plus 2 as well. We got 10. And this number plus 2, and we got 12. So this is called the number pattern. The way to find the rule and use it to predict the next numbers. So here we have a common pattern types. Okay, we have a common pattern types. The first pattern is about addition or subtraction. So here number change, every number change by adding or subtracting with the same value. For example, it subtract by 3 or by 4. So here we have the example 5, then we got 8, 11, and 14. It means if we find the difference of this number, we got plus 3, and this one plus 3 plus 3. So if they ask for the next number, it will be plus 3 as well. Then we have 17. So this is the addition pattern. So how about the subtraction pattern? The subtraction pattern almost same, but this one, the range of every number is used the subtract. For example, we have 10, 5, 0. It means the difference between each number is negative 5. So we have here negative 5 and this one negative 5. So this one, the next number must be negative 5, and the next number must be negative 10, because the difference must be negative 5 as well. Okay, so this is addition or subtraction pattern. So the next one we have is multiplication. Multiplication or division. Numbers change by multiplying or dividing by the same value. For example, here we have 2, 4, 8, 16. If we can see here, this one from the first number is 2 times 1. The second number is, this one 2 times 1. The second number 2 times 2. The third number is, no, we have here, for example, we have 2, 4, 8, 16. So here, if we see, this is the next number we got by times the number with 2. So here we times it by 2, and we times it by 2, we times it by 2 again, by 2. So in the next number, if they ask for the next number, we got 32 because we times it by 2, and we got 64. Okay, so this is how to find the next number of the pattern by using multiplication pattern. And the division is the same, it's just the same as well. So maybe it will start from 60, then we have 30, 15, yeah, something like that. And maybe if they ask for the next number, we can see that from the 60, from the 60 and goes to 30, it's divided by 2, and this one divided by 2, we have 15. And if this 15 divided by 2, we have 7.5. So this is the way how to find the pattern of numbers. Okay, next. So the next pattern we have here is mixed operation. So this mixed operation is a little bit hard, but if we keep trying to do this kind of question, we can find the pattern of the numbers. For example, we have here 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, and 21, 22. And if we find the difference between each number, we have here 2, 4, 2, 10, and 2 again. So the number is not doesn't has the same pattern. So but we have a same thing here. We have a same. This is what this one is 2, this one is 2, and this one is 2. So how to find the pattern? We can use this way. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, and 22. So here we have this one must be 2, this one 2, this one 2. And from the 4 and 8, we have times 2, and this one times 2. So the pattern is plus 2, then times 2. From this pattern, we can get that after 22, we will times it by 2. So we have 44. After that, if we want to find the next number, it will be plus 2. This one plus 2, plus 2, and plus 2. So this is the way to find the pattern of the number. So here we have a question. Find the missing number. So if you write 2, 5, 10, 17, and 37. Here, if we find the difference between the number, we have this one 3 plus 3 plus 3, and this one plus 5, this one plus 7. So plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So we can find the relation between the numbers. If we see this one, the range between the next number must be plus 2 plus 2. So this one must be plus 2 again, plus 2 as well. So this one must be 7 plus 2, it's 9. It means this one must be 17 plus 9, we have 16. And this one, yeah, this one must be 16. If we continue the number, it will be plus 2 again. and this is 11, so it must be 27 actually, 27. Yeah, this is the way to find the pattern of the number by try to find the difference of each number. Just like 2 and a 5, the difference must be plus 3, and 5 and 10, the difference must be plus 5. So this is the way how to find the pattern of the numbers. Okay, next we learn about fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. So if we have one whole cake here, one whole cake, and we divide it into four parts, and we take it one part from the four part that we have divided, it means we have take 1/4 part of the cake. So this fraction is used to show how many part do you take from the whole part. So this is what is the fraction used for. Next, we have equivalent fraction. The equivalent fraction is the different fraction with the same value. So you can find the equivalent fraction by times the denominator and the numerator with the same number. So, okay. In the fraction, we have the number in the top part, for example, 4/5. So the number in the top, it's called numerator, and this one denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. Here, to find the equivalent fraction, we can try to find it by times the fraction with the same number. For example, we have 3/4, and if we times it by 2, the numerator and the denominator as well, we got 6/8. It means 3/4 equivalent with 6/8. This is the simple way to find the equivalent fraction. And sometimes we need to find the simplest form of the fraction. To find the simplest form of the fraction, we need to divide the numerator and denominator with the highest common factor of the two numbers. For example, we have 4/20. So, to make it the simplest fraction, we need to find what is the highest common factor of this both number, 4 and 20. And last week we have learned about the highest common factor. The highest common factor of 4 and 20 is 4 itself. So to find the simplest fraction, we need to divide it by 4. It means we have 1/5. So this is the simplest form of 4 out of 20. But actually they have the same value. Okay. Next we have here how to do addition and subtraction of the fraction. To do the addition and subtraction in the fraction, for example, we have 3/4 plus 4/5. We need to find the least common multiple of this both number. We have learned about least common multiple. Least common multiple is the first common multiple of this number. So the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Then we need to find the equivalent fractions of these two fractions with the denominator 20. Here is the way. 20. We have 20 here. 20 divided by 4. And after that, we times it by 3. 20 divided by 4, we got 5. And we times it by 3, we got 15. 15 with the new denominator 20. Okay, then we put it plus. Then the same way we do to the second fraction, 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. Okay. And after we divide it, we times it by 4. So here 20 divided by 5, we got 4. 4 times 4, we got 16. 16 over 20. After that, the rule to do the addition and subtraction of the fraction is to make sure the denominator same. If the denominator same, we only need to plus or to minus the numerator. So we have here 15 plus 16 is 31 out of 20. And for this one, we need to make it the simplest form. The simplest form of this fraction is by change this fraction into the mixed number. So to change this one into this fraction into the mixed number, we just need to divide 31 divided by 20. We got 1, 20, we got 11. And this one cannot divide it by this 11 cannot divide it by 20 anymore. So we got the result we put as a whole number 1, and the remainder we put it as a numerator, and 20 we put it as denominator. So this is the simplest form of 31 out of 20. We have 1, 11 out of 20. While for multiplication, we just need to times numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. For example, 3 out of 5 times 2 out of 4. So we only need to times 3 times 2, 3 times 2, and 5 times 4. Then we have 6 out of 20. And we can make it into the simplest form, become 3 out of 10. Okay, now maybe we can move to books first. So, okay, here we have the question from intensive math drills. Mrs. Tan has 5 over 5 out of 6 kilogram of sugar. Mrs. Lee has 11 out of 12 kilogram of sugar. How much sugar do they have altogether? Give your answer as a mixed number. So here we have a key. To solve the problem, we need to make all the things into the symbol first. And let's say Mrs. Tan is T, and she has 5, 5 out of 6 kilogram sugar, and Mrs. Lee is L, and she has 11 out of 12 kilogram sugar. So the question is asking about how much sugar do they have all together. So the word together, all together represent the addition. It means we just need to add 5 out of 6 plus 11 out of 12. As what we have learned before, to add the fraction, we need to make the denominator same first by finding the least common multiple of the both this denominator, and we got 12. And we try to find the equivalent form of this fraction. We have 12 divided by 6, 2, 2 times 5, got 10 out of 12. And this one, 12 divided by 12, 1 times 11, then we got 11 out of 12. When the denominator already same, we only need to add the numerator. Then we have 22, 21. Yeah, 21 out of 12. So this 21 out of 12, they ask us to give the answer into the mixed number. So we need to divide 21 divided by 12, then we have 1, 12 minus, then we have here 9. So because 9 cannot divide it by 12 again, we take the number 1 as a whole number, the result, and 9 as the numerator, and 12 as denominator. So we got the answer 1, 9 out of 12. So this is how to solve the number, the operation of the fraction into the word problem. Okay, I think that is all for our lesson today. Thank you.